Happened? Nothing much. We did what people usually do during funerals. Did you meet her?
There came to me a memory of sitting in one of the smaller Nara sofas in the living room in the Bulacan.
Are you Lisa?
Yes.
I was surprised, for I had not heard anyone approach. Most of the mourners prepared to stay out on the veranda.
Silver, everyone makes it Lisa. I'm sorry.
I don't think she is a pretty mom, too.
Lisa, you should come to your brother's funeral because your dad wants you there.
Okay, Mom. Do I have a choice?
So Lisa, anak, how are you? They told me that your father had not slept for 2 nights straight. So you should not wake him up. Let him rest.
Let the king be now I.
What next? The salt. It's all that?
Elite in church. Mary said that we shouldn't feel sad because David is sure of going to a better place because he was such a good child.
My father was crying beside me, and I recall thinking, would he be the same if I was the one who had that? That day, my father apologized for me to mourn. I already forgive him and I accept the fact that everything already happened.